Not all of the number one seeds have made it through. Here's one who has Pupp Reka of Hungary in the first of the semi-finals, and French opponent Eloise Combeau.
Welcome to the second semi-final for men under 55 kilo tatami 2. In white for Italy, Eloise Mazzi. In blue for Azerbaijan,
yeah, a really interesting second semi-final as well. Andrea Leshki of Slovenia faces Mzia Beboshvili of Georgia. That could be a turn-up for the book if the Georgian makes it into the final. Beboshvili that I was talking about, no information at all on her apart from the fact that she won their national championships. And we're not talking about their cadet championships. She won the national championships in Georgia. And apart from that, she's got no other record. Never been outside as far as I know. But nothing. No information on her at all. So she's having quite a day here. Lost contact with the hands there, Combeau, and then ended up just falling flat on her face.
The next fight on mat 3 will be the first exercise for men under 60 kilo.
Good right arm up and around the collar from Combeau, and now looking to go right-sided. To change the grip, and then Pupp attempts to go left-sided. It wasn't the strongest of attacks, as was suggested by the French coach, who looked despairingly at that effort. And Pupp does pick up a penalty for a false attack. Odd seconds left to go. The problem for Pupp now is that she's beginning to think of holding on. Always dangerous. It's so dangerous just to think about holding on. Far better to think about an attacking action, some kind of action that's going to slow your opponent down if you can. 20 odd seconds left to go. Time enough still for something to happen here. It was that poor an effort. So little time left to go. Must have been 40 seconds when she picked up the 2 penalties because she changed the tactics. She should have stuck to the plan of trying to throw her opponent instead of trying to defend the 2 Shidos, and she ended up picking up 2 herself. She brought that upon herself. Inexperience, poor judgment from Pupp, and it's not as though this is the first competition that she's ever been to. She's got a string of competitions, but she still hasn't learnt that lesson yet. I know that's a harsh thing to say because they're only young, but she'll be kicking herself and wondering why it is that she's fighting in golden score. She should be on her way back to the stands to celebrate her place in the final. Instead, she's allowed Eloise Combeau back into the contest, gifting her 2 errors. She's got to do it all over again. Brown Akosh is in the chair. He must be fuming about it, and now almost seeing the contest disappear. She just managed to get off that Ojigari from Combeau. Lost contact with the hands just as well. She didn't end up on the ground. Well, it's harsh, but she only